Well, hello everyone, I'm Hashan for Program Counter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and create the path variable for OracleJDK on your Windows machine. So just open the browser first, open your browser and type OracleJDK here and go to this page which is from oracle.com. And this page is the downloads page in Oracle website. So in here you can see there are different types of JDK versions available, 12.01 and 11.03. So this is the latest one. I'm going to download that one. So just click here. Now you can see JDK packages are available for different types of operating systems for Linux, Mac OS, Windows. So we are going to download for Windows. So just click here, but before just check whether this is 64-bit or 32-bit. Here I have 64-bit one. So if your operating system is not 64, then just go back and find a different one that is suitable for your operating system. So now this version is available for 32 operating systems and 64 operating system as well, right? Here you can see it is available for 32-bit and 64-bit, right? So just download the version that is suitable for your operating system, and before downloading that one, just accept the license agreement here and click the download button, right? So now I have already downloaded this package in my machine, so I skip that part. And also the installation process, it is very easy, so just install it. You can do that. Now let's create the path variable for JDK. So why need to create a path variable is for specifying the location where all the executable files for JDK are stored, right? So just go to the location where your installation files are stored. Basically it is in the program files. So here you can see as Java, go to that folder and JDK 12.01 and go to the bin folder. Inside this bin folder you can see all the library files and all the packages are, all the executable files are stored, right? So we need to copy this path and give it to our path variable, right? So how to access that path variable is just right click this PC and go to properties, and in here go to advanced system settings here and create a environment variable. Click this button and you can see the path variable here. Just double click on that and add a new one, create new one. Click new and paste your path. Now I have already done that, so you just paste it and click OK, right? Okay, and here okay. So let's check whether your installation is done or not. To check that, just go to cmd and type java c. Here I am getting a big list, right? Here I am getting a big document file, which means my installation is completely done. So thanks for watching. Just subscribe my channel. See you.